And it's really an honor for me to be here together with all of you. And I'm the representative of the management board of LEONI. I think we have a good opportunity to grow with these newcomers, our business in North America, and therefore it's really worth to spend more time and more resources and really work out a detailed strategy for the North American market.
I enjoy what I do, and I enjoy working with all of you. It only works together as a team. Thanks to you for trusting in me. It's the start of our future, so let's be successful together. Thank you.
Why get everybody in the U.S. together? Because we are a huge area. The U.S. is very big. Just looking at our offices, we've got Arizona, we've got Troy. Even just from Arizona to Troy is 2,000 miles. And then we have all of our residents spread over the United States. So there's never that opportunity for everybody to have some one-on-one time. To me, this was one of my very favorite moments of being at LEONI. It was so nice just to look out and see everybody listening and commenting and laughing and smiling. We want to be successful, but the most important things is us. It's the people, it's the relationships, and it's how you feel when you go home and getting ready to come to work the next day. Do I want to work for LEONI? And I really hope that this helped foster that.
Hi, this is Astrid Gracia, and I'm very happy to be part of this event here in Detroit office, celebrating the 30th anniversary for the LWUS. I take away a lot of smiles, happy to see all these team members in here. I'm very proud to be part of the LEONI group. I remember Jeremy saying that let's start the future today and be successful together.